Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create custom nation in Europa Universalis IV. And to do this you will need to get a special DLC for the game, so let's find it on the Steam right here. And now we want to look for the El Dorado DLC. Here it is. So to create your own nation you need to buy this specific DLC. Now when you have it you can jump into the game, either play multiplayer or single player, and in the bottom right corner we have a custom nation. You can click on that. Now you need to click on the province on the map to select your capital. So for example, let's go for the Krakow right here. And then now we can click on each province to add it to our county, like this. We can also change our nation name and nation adjective. We can switch our colors. There's option to customize our emblem. And then there's a court. You can change your ruler name and etc. Their hair and the government unit type. There's many different options. You can experiment with it. Now when you're ready, click on done, and here's our own nation. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.